Dear students, how are you? I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am your teacher, K.M. Zakaria Alam, Police Lines School and College, Bugura. I am also fine. I congratulate you and welcome to join the online program. Today I am going to discuss about changing sentence and capital letters and punctuation for class 6. Dear students, look at the board and follow attentively and punctually for your better understanding. Now I am going to discuss about the topic. Please look at the board. The topic of today about changing sentence. That means transformation of sentence without changing meaning. Means transformation. Sentence will be negative but meaning will be unchanged. Here, look at the board. This is assertive sentence. We know assertive sentence is of two kinds. Look at the picture and says, such as affirmative and negative. Affirmative means ha budho and negative means na budho. There are some examples on the board, such as number 1, he is a good boy. It will be negative, he is not a bad boy. That means sentence will be negative but meaning will be unchanged. Good has become changed by bad. He is a rich man, make it negative, he is not a poor man. That means rich has become changed by using poor. Man is mortal, make it negative, man is not immortal, or no man is immortal. That means some synonym will be antonym or opposite words. These words are necessary for you to understand for changing sentence, such as mortal will be immortal in the negative form. This is opposite words or antonym. Liquid will be solid or hard. Always will be never. Good will be bad. Such as he is a good boy, make it negative, he is not a bad boy. Happy will be unhappy. Attentive, inattentive. Large, big. Opposite or antonym will be small. Many will be few. Remember will be forget. Pleasant will be unpleasant. Little, its opposite will be much. Costly, expensive. Mulloban or davi, it will be antonym. Cheap. Easy, hard, difficult, or sometimes you will use uneasy. Strong, weak. Honest, dishonest. Wise, unwise. Obedient, disobedient. Regular, irregular. Active, inactive. Pious, impious. Satisfied, dissatisfied. There are more words, available words are in the text. You must study for your better preparation on changing sentence. So, antonym or opposite words are very much necessary for you to understand. Suppose water is liquid, it will be negative, make it negative. Water is not solid. He is always happy, always will be never. He is always happy. These are the examples of changing sentence. He is not, that means he is never unhappy. He is attentive to his studies, make it negative. He is not inattentive to his studies. That means to make negative, not is necessary. Every not will be used after auxiliary verb, but adjective will be antonym or opposite. Dear students, now I am going to discuss about assertive to interrogative. How is it possible for us to make sentence interrogative from assertive? Any assertive sentence will be interrogative by following the rules of negative interrogative. That means assertive sentence is of two kinds. One is affirmative and another is negative. Every affirmative sentence will be negative plus interrogative. That means negative interrogative is the correct form of interrogative in the form of changing sentence. Please look at the board. Man is mortal. This is assertive. Make it interrogative. Int means interrogative. This is the shorter form. Is. Here is be verb. So sentence will be negative. Isn't, not, will always be contracted or short in form. Man is mortal. Isn't man mortal? Here not is used to make interrogative sentence with be verb. Isn't. Here be verb is main verb. Health is wealth. This is affirmative form. It will be interrogative. Affirmative statement in affirmative answer will be negative. Negative plus interrogative equal to negative interrogative. This is the form of without changing meaning. That means changing sentence or transformation. Isn't health wealth? Money begets money. Here begets is present form. This verb is present. So doesn't is necessary to make interrogative. Doesn't money beget money? After doesn't, is or is will be out. He went home yesterday. Here went is past. This is the verb go. Go will be past went. So when verb will be past in the sentence, you will be ready to make interrogative. Didn't is necessary. Didn't will be used before subject. Didn't he go home yesterday? After didn't, your main verb went will be present. Here went has become go. Dear students, please look at the another rule. Everybody, everyone. This is the affirmative form. Whenever any subject will be formed by using everybody or everyone, these sentences will be assertive and affirmative form. Everybody, everyone, at the time of making interrogative, who doesn't is necessary. After doesn't, yes or yes will be out of the verb. Such as number one, everybody hates a liar. Here everybody will be out by using who doesn't, as hates is the verb of present. So doesn't is necessary to make interrogative. Everybody will be out who, as verb is present, so doesn't is necessary, and doesn't will be used after who. That means everybody is equal to who doesn't. Hate a liar. Here is has become out for doesn't. Dear students, look at the example 2. Everyone loves flowers. Who doesn't love flowers? So everybody or everyone will be out at the time of making interrogative sentence by using who doesn't when verb is in the present. After doesn't, S or es will be out of the verb for doesn't. I am going to discuss another rule: nobody, no one, none. These are the negative subject. Nobody, no one, none. At the time of making interrogative, only who will be used. Nobody touched the layer. Here, nobody will be out by using who. Who touched the layer? S or es will be present by using who. That means after who, S or es will be present with verbs. No one can do the work. Here none is the subject, so who can do the work? Here can is modal auxiliary, so who is necessary, but can will be present in the sentence. Who can do the work? Dear students, I hope all of you have already understood about the topics. Now I am going to another discussion about affirmative, negative. These are another rules. Please look at the board and follow carefully. Affirmative must. To make negative, must will be out by using cannot but. Its shorter form can't but. Must will be out. So, please students follow. Must is the symbol of affirmative. Such as, he must do this, make it neg. Neg means negative. The shorter form of negative is neg. He must do this. To make negative, it will be, he cannot but do this. Here must has already been out by using cannot but. That means cannot but will be used to make negative at the place of must. He must do the work. He cannot but do the work. To make negative sentence, must will be used. Here must will be out by using cannot but. But again, cannot but will be out by using must at the time of affirmative sentence. You must remember this. Next, and rules: only, alone. Only, alone, both at the form of affirmative form. To make affirmative sentence, only alone are necessary. Only, alone is the form of affirmative, or is the symbol of affirmative. To make negative, none but is necessary. When only, alone will be used before subject, Allah, God, or person, means only, alone, both are the form of affirmative. These are the symbol of affirmative. To make negative, none but is a must. So, only Allah loves all. When only, alone, both will be used before Allah, God, or person. To make negative, only, alone will be out by using none but. Here, Allah, only Allah loves all. To make negative, Allah will be out by using none but. None but Allah loves all. Only, impersonal subject. Impersonal subjects means বস্তু, বিষয়, জড় পদার্থ, ইতর প্রাণী, etc. I told Bengali for your better understanding. Please follow. Impersonal subject only will be out to make negative by using nothing but. Only, health is wealth. Here health is subject, বিষয়. So negative will be nothing but health is wealth. Only, a dog is faithful. Suppose this is the example. As dog is impersonal subject, so nothing but is necessary. Nothing but a dog is necessary. Like only, health is wealth. Except personal subject, that means Bhakti, Allah or God, Bostu Bishaya Jara Padartho Itar Prani, there nothing but is necessary to make negative. Only plus number, that means number of words will be out by using not, number of words will be out by using not more than or not less than. Anyone may use to make negative. He is only 10. Here 10 is the word of number, numeral pronoun. So countable words 10, if 15, 20, 5, etc. Here only we will be out to make negative by using not more than or not less than. He is only 10, he is not more than 10. This is the rules of negative form. Dear students, I really hope you all have understood about the topics changing sentence or transformation of sentence. I hope you will try more and more for your better preparation. Dear students, now I am going to teach you about capital letters and punctuation marks which are necessary for you. This topic is on English second paper. It's very important for you. There are various events are mentioned on the board. First, letter. Letter is of two kinds. One is capital letters and another is small letters. Like Dhaka, D here. Here D is capital, T is capital and H is capital letters. It's small letter in size. Dhaka, D and T both are the small letters. Full stop. Completely stop. Man is mortal. Abbreviation, MA, etc. Comma. Karim, Rahim, Reza. These are the marks of comma. Inverted comma. Its another name is quotation. To make reported speech, quotation or inverted comma is necessary. He said to me, health is wealth. Here, health is wealth. This is the reported speech. Here, inverted comma is used in the sentence. Number 4, semicolon. He stayed here. He got freshness. Here, semicolon is used in the sentence. Next, number 5, colon. To write essay or composition and so on, colon is necessary. To mention any point, colon must be used. Suppose introduction, importance, kinds, etc. Interrogation. To make interrogative sentence, interrogation is necessary. This is interrogation. Exclamatory. To express feelings. Vishay. How nice the bird is. This is exclamation. Hyphen. Please look at the board. Dash. And apostrophe comma. Apostrophe comma will be used with proper noun. Korims, Rohins, etc. Dear students, please look at the board and realize about the punctuation and capital letters and study more and more and practice yourself for your better preparation. Thank you.